side of a street I knew stood a girl that looked like you. I guess that's deja vu, but I thought this can't be true, cause you moved to West LA or New York or Santa Fe.
Hello Mina,
Hi,
how are you doing today?
I'm fine. I'm ready
Ready for what?
for the big adventure.
For skydiving!
Skydiving, run for your dream.
Is it your first time?
Yes, this is my first
So how are you
time.
feeling?
Excited?
You scared?
No,
You're not? Not at all?
Not at all.
Well, we'll see up there, huh? In a couple of minutes.
Okay, see you.
So have you got anything to say for friends, family before we go?
No, but I have a friend that he's doing it in Italy now.
Alright.
So we are doing together
Uh-huh.
and we are chasing our dream actually.
Alright.
So you have to chase your dream and
That's
turn
right.
this into reality.
Well, so have
Okay.
fun. I'll see you out there.
Thank you.
Ciao.
I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by. On the upside to a downward spiral, my love for you went viral, and I loved you every mile you drove away. But now here you are again, so let's skip to how you've been and get down to the more than friends at last. Oh, but that one night is still the highlight. I didn't need you until I came to, and I was overwhelmed and frankly scared as hell because I really fell for you. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by. Just a shy guy looking forward to a fly. Have to bang a whole night. Love when you move me, everything is groovy. They don't like it soon.
Alright, so we're in the sky.
Yes.
Almost there, man. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling excited.
Excited?
Be the first jump as well.
You trust this guy?
Yes, I trust him.
Alright. So have you got any...
Belgium and I like Belgium.
Awesome. Alright, so have fun. I'll see you out there.
One of us. One of us. Hey. Come on, y'all. Lay down and enjoy. Together we get down, down, down. Our love can turn the world around. Let the people say. Lay down and enjoy everything around, round, round. We do it till the sun goes down on a lazy day. The flavor, the breeze wakes you up in the heat of the morning sun. We are rebels of joy, come together to love someone. The sunrise, the east lifts you up, a new generation on the run. Rising love on the way, in the light of the warming sun. You are one of us. Together we get down now. One of us. Hey. Lay down and enjoy. Together we get down, down, down.
Alright. How was it, buddy? Had a good time?
It was amazing. This is the first time and I will do it again.
Good job, man. Congratulations. So thanks for jumping with us. Hope
Thank
to see you
you.
soon again at Skydive Dubai.